morning from Chautauqua. How well do you know CHQ? The Miller Bell Tower was built in 1911 as a memorial to Chautauqua founder Lewis Miller. The Italianate-style tower was designed by E.B. Green of the architectural firm of Green & Wicks from Buffalo and built at the cost of $5,783. The clock, donated by the Seth Thomas Clock Company, kept the official time of Chautauqua for over 50 years, until it was replaced in 1967 and moved to the Oliver Archive Center. In 1916, the old pier building was raised, and a lower two-story building put in its place. The goal of this shorter building was to make the bell tower more visible from every direction. An icon on Chautauqua Lake, the Miller Bell Tower is one of the most easily recognized landmarks in our area. The bell tower stands as a symbol of Chautauqua Institution. The sound of the chimes carry throughout the grounds and across the lake and continually reminds us of Chautauqua's storied past.